Why is my dishwasher leaking bubbles?
The kids put the funner bubble bath in the dishwasher.
My kids are too old for bubble bath.
Then they accidentally put hand dishwashing liquid in the dishwasher, resulting in too many bubbles.
Surprisingly, I do know what that looks like, and this is not it.
Yeah, when they put the hand soap in, you do not get a minor leak of bubbles, but a tsunami unless your kids hardly put any soap in.
What else could be leading my dishwasher to leak bubbles?
You put too much dishwasher detergent in and the bubbles are leaking out the dishwasher seal.
That would at least be easy to test.
It could also leak bubbles if you put in too much rinse aid.
I hardly ever use rinse aid.
It could leak bubbles if you spill rinse aid on the door, where it is now bubbling up and out through the seal instead of down the drain.
That would be easy to clean.
Make sure you've cleaned the dishwasher seal of caked on dishwasher soap that provides gaps for soap to escape from.
If my dishwasher seal is that dirty, my dishes must be filthy.
If it is leaking bubbles, I'd also check whether the dishwasher is set to steam clean.
I do not know if it has that setting.
If the dishwasher is steam cleaning the dishes, the hot water and pressure could cause bubbles to leak out.
I'd expect water to dribble out first.
I'd expect the dishwasher to leak bubbles out the vent too, if the hot steam is not venting fast enough to come out as a gas.
I did not buy one of those dishwashers where the vent blew hot steam onto the control panel. But that means the vent is down low somewhere. I do not really see it.
I'm assuming you've closed the dishwasher door all the way.
It is shut.
If it did not lock right, it might leak out along the door's edge.
It would leak a lot more when the door flopped back open.
Assuming the door is not off kilter because the springs and hinges are damaged.
My kids do not open the door and climb on it the way they do the oven door. What else can I check?
Check to make sure you did not accidentally put dish soap in the rinse aid dispenser. And that your kids are not putting dishes with hand dish soap still coating it in the dishwasher.